After the Chinese export data came in lower than expected, analysts suggested that oil consumption in the country will continue to reduce further. Today's report on the Chinese inflation rate bolstered concerns about a lack of growth momentum in one of the world's largest economies, leading to an even sharper drop in oil prices. Crude oil slid below the psychological level of $80 per barrel, and this can be viewed as a clear signal that the asset has been oversold lately. However, if the price settles firmly below the $80 mark, this signal can be downplayed due to its speculative nature. In the meantime, the situation in the Middle East remains tense, with the risks of a further escalation in the Palestinian-Israeli conflict. Additionally, the European Union may want to follow the United States and expand sanctions against the Russian oil industry, and this in turn may lead to temporary disruption to crude supply. Therefore, the current decline in oil prices is likely to be short-lived, given the still high potential for a further rise in oil quotes. Gold is also trading lower and approaching a critical level of $1,950 per troy ounce. It appears that the precious metal might settle in the range between $1,950 and $1,975. This decline can be explained by seemingly easing tensions between Israel and Palestine. However, the unresolved conflict still carries high risks, making this decrease in the gold prices a temporary fluctuation as well. Now let's go back to a decline in oil prices. Surprisingly, this trend has not impacted the Russian currency, which continues to hover around 92 rubles against the US dollar. There have been no significant attempts to push above this mark. Instead, the ruble exhibits a slight tendency towards growth. The dollar-ruble pair continues to trade at the lower boundary of the downward cycle, with its activity being somewhat subdued. This indicates a consolidation phase, which often precedes speculative spikes in the market activity. So, let's see if the search and the trading activity follows soon. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.